Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Ford Flex. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface, and engage the parking brake. It's crucial to block the wheels that will remain on the ground to prevent any movement. Remember, jack stands are essential for supporting the vehicle once it's lifted. Never rely solely on the jack. For the front of your Ford Flex, you have a few reliable jack points. Look for the pinch weld located just behind the front wheels. This is a common spot. Alternatively, the sturdy frame rail directly behind the front wheels provides excellent support. If you need to lift the entire front end, the central front crossmember is a good option, but ensure your jack has adequate reach. Moving to the rear of your Ford Flex, similar jack points are available. You can use the pinch weld located just in front of the rear wheels. Another strong option is the frame rail, also found in front of the rear wheels. For lifting the entire rear axle, the rear differential housing can serve as a central jack point. Always consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations. Once you've identified your jack point, position your jack squarely underneath it. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring it lifts evenly. Once at the desired height, carefully place your jack stands under the designated frame rails or other strong support points. Double-check that they are stable before gently lowering the vehicle onto the stands. This ensures maximum safety while you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.